For those of you who want to learn how to make homemade cheese but have no idea where to begin, this one is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade ricotta cheese. It's got to be one of the easiest cheeses to begin with. It's delicious Italian style cheese made up of little curds. It is so easy to make. It's rich, it's creamy. It can go with sweet and savoury. It's so versatile. And guess what? It's so easy to make. Let's get started. So first off, you want to mix together 50 milliliters of water which I've boiled, then cooled down to room temperature. That's just going to purify the water, along with 3 grams of citric acid. You can buy citric acid at a lot of different shops, or you can just click the link in my description. Make sure it gets properly dissolved. Now get yourself a nice deep pan and you want to weigh out 1500 milliliters of whole milk. Then get your citric acid solution and pour that into the milk. Now get yourself a saucepan and give it a gentle mix, doing an up and down motion to make sure it's evenly distributed, but don't over stir it. Now you're going to come to the stove and place it over medium heat, stirring very gently and very occasionally, doing the same up and down motion. You want to take it to 85 degrees Celsius. Be careful to not overstir because you'll break the curds up too much. When it comes to 85 degrees Celsius, take it off the heat immediately, then pop a lid on it and leave it to sit for 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, the curd should have came to the top, and that curd is the ricotta, my friends. Beautiful. Now get yourself a bowl with a sieve over the top. Line that sieve with a butter muslin and you're going to strain the curds through it. Now this next step comes down to you. You can leave it to drain for anywhere from 15 minutes to 1 hour. The longer you drain it for, the drier the ricotta will turn out. Everyone's got a preference on this. Some people like it wetter, some people like it drier. That's why I leave it up to you for this. Once you've drained it to your desired consistency, tip it out into a clean bowl and adjust the seasoning. If you want a bit more salt, add a bit more salt. If you want some pepper, add some pepper. Pepper's totally optional. And that is it, guys. That is how you make ricotta. That is why ricotta is the best cheese to start with when you're a beginner. Because all you need is some whole milk, some citric acid, and a bit of salt and pepper. It's as easy as that. Next, I'm going to show you a nice savoury dish to serve the ricotta with. This is nice and easy to make and it tastes amazing. Cut yourself a nice slice of bread. I'm using sourdough and I'm going to toast it until crispy. Then spread a nice generous layer of ricotta on and top with some fresh cherry tomatoes, some fresh basil leaves, drizzle some extra virgin olive oil, and top with some flaky molten sea salt for a crunch. It's incredibly delicious and nice and easy. I hope you give it a go. Alright guys, that is it. You've done it. You made homemade ricotta from scratch. Ricotta is such a delicious cheese. So easy, as you just seen how easy it was to make. So now you can make it yourself. That being said, guys, if you enjoyed this video and you learned something, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Oh, by the way, if you got anything like to see on this channel, please down below in the comments. I'll see you next time.